What to look for when buying bank-owned homes or foreclosures sold as is. If you're considering buying a bank-owned home or a foreclosure property, you're thinking smart. These homes can offer incredible value, but they're not without risk. Understanding what to look for can make the difference between a great investment and a money pit. Here's a breakdown of what to pay close attention to. 1. The condition of the property. As is means the seller, usually a bank, servicer, or government entity, will not make repairs, nor allow you to make repairs prior to the closing. What you see is what you get, but what you don't see might be more important. Look for red flags, water stains, mold, roof leaks, cracks in the foundation, or signs of squatters, missing appliances, or copper piping. Vacant homes can be easily stripped. No utilities on. In many cases, banks won't turn on power, gas, or water, which makes inspections harder but even more critical. 2, the right to inspect. Even if the home is as is, you can still get an inspection, as in you should. Hire a licensed inspector who is familiar with distressed or vacant homes. Don't skip sewer, septic, well, or roof inspections. These are often where the biggest hidden costs hide. Budget for repairs. Add a contingency amount, sometimes 10 to 20% of the purchase price, for unexpected issues. 3, title issues and liens. Bank-owned homes should come with clear title, but don't assume. Have a title company or attorney check for unpaid property taxes, utility liens, HOA fees, HOA liens, or assessments, and even code violations. If you're buying at auction or pre-REO, these liens may stay with the property, so doing your homework is non-negotiable. 4, financing challenges. Some foreclosure homes may not qualify for traditional financing due to condition. Conventional or FHA loans may require homes to meet minimum property standards. If the home has peeling paint, missing toilets, or exposed wiring, you might need a renovation loan like an FHA 203K or Fannie Mae homestyle loan. Cash buyers often win out in competitive markets due to fewer contingencies. 5, neighborhood and location. Even the best deal can be a bust in the wrong location. Check comparable sales for the neighborhood, not just the price you're paying. Consider school districts, crime rates, walkability, and future development. Talk to neighbors if possible. Many will tell you what the home's been through. 6, know who you're dealing with. Banks and asset managers don't negotiate like private sellers. Response times vary. Some will take days, others weeks. Be prepared to sign addendums that shift liability away from the seller. Deadlines are strict. Miss one and the deal could fall apart. Working with an agent experienced in REO and foreclosures like our team at Keller Williams Realty gives you a huge edge in navigating this process. Final thoughts. Buying a bank-owned home as is can be a smart move, but it's not for the faint of heart. Go in informed, build a great team, and protect yourself with inspections, title research, and realistic budgeting. If you're thinking about making a move into the foreclosure or REO market, let's connect. With over 15,000 homes sold and 34 years of experience in distressed property sales, we know what to look for and what to avoid. Let's connect. Call me directly, 702-749-5929, or visit irealtysolutions.com.